Today you will learn perfect tenses. Tenses are of three types: past, present, and future. In the previous videos, you must have seen simple and continuous tenses. Now you will learn perfect tenses: past perfect, present perfect, and future perfect. For past perfect, had plus V3 means verb's third form, like eat will become eaten here. Present perfect has or have plus V3. Now you must be wondering what is V3? V3 is verb's third form. I'll put the link in the description box of irregular verbs and when to use has or have. Even that YouTube short is available on the channel. Please have a look. For future perfect, will or shall plus have plus eaten. Past perfect tense. Past perfect tense is used to talk about an action that was completed before another action in the past. Like, I had finished my homework before dinner. Here, had is a helping verb along with the main verb finished. Had finished is my verb which tells you that it is past perfect tense. Remember, for past perfect, had is important along with the main verb. She had left when I arrived. So your had plus V3, that is left. Had left is my verb for past perfect tense. Next is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is used to talk about actions that happened in the past but are connected to present or have just been completed. I have finished my homework. Here, have tells you that it is present and along with the main verb, that is finished, have finished. Next example, she has visited London twice. So has present and visited V3 verb's third form tells you that it is present perfect tense. Next is future perfect tense. Future perfect tense is used to talk about an action that will be completed before a certain time in the future. Like, I will have finished the project by tomorrow. So, will have is the helping verb plus the main verb finished, that is V3. She will have left by 8 pm. Will have left is verb for future perfect tenses. Don't forget, you have to identify the whole verb. Helping verb plus main verb makes the verb for tenses. If you like this video, please click like, share and subscribe to Sujata Teaches. Thank you.